I am sure you have seen in the media that Russia is running out of fighter jet and pilot. You should know one thing, it completely false. Russia has one of the biggest arsenal of fighter jet. Russia has more than 1200 fighter jet. So Russia running out of fighter jet is out of question. Now the question comes, how much fighter jet can Russia produce? In this video we have given the answer on how much fighter jet has Russia produced in the last 2 years. Welcome back to our channel. I am Wartime Update and let's start the video. In today's video, we are diving into the Russian fighter jet production over the past 2 years, from advanced Su-57 to versatile Su-34. Let's explore how Russia is maintaining its fighter jet fleet. Russia has a long history of producing some of the world's most formidable fighter jets. Despite facing numerous challenges, including international sanctions and economic pressure, Russia continues to give importance to its military aviation industry. In this video, we will take a closer look at production number, key model, what type of change are they facing, and the future outlook of Russian fighter jet production. In 2022, Russia produced between 22 to 26 combat jets, including Su-57, Su-34 and Su-35. This production was a statement to Russia's commitment to maintain a robust air force despite the global challenges. The Su-57 saw around 6 units produced in 2022. The Su-34 had approximately 8 to 10 units produced. The Su-35 production number was ranging from 3 to 10 units. In 2023, the production numbers saw a significant increase, with estimates ranging from 29 to 50 new combat jets. These increases were driven by the need to replace losses and maintain air superiority. The Su-57 production continued with additional 10 units, while the Su-34 and Su-35 saw increased production to meet the demand of the ongoing conflict and modernization effort. Let's take a closer look at key aircraft produced during this period. The Su-57, Russian fifth-generation fighter jet designed for air superiority and attack mission. The Su-57 featured advanced stealth technology, super cruise capabilities, and integrated system. It is equipped with a powerful radar system and advanced weaponry, making it a formidable opponent in modern aerial combat. Su-34 is designed for a deep strike mission capable of carrying a wide range of air-to-air and air-to-ground weapons. Its advanced technology and electronic warfare system make it a versatile fighter jet for various combat scenarios, and it is very famous for dropping fab bombs. Su-35, an advanced version of Su-27, known for its agility and advanced system. The Su-35 features advanced engine, radar, and a wide range of weapons. It is designed for air superiority mission and can engage multiple targets simultaneously. Despite those impressive numbers, Russian fighter jet production has not been without challenges. International sanctions has created supply bottlenecks and increased production costs. Those sanctions have restricted access to critical components and materials, forcing Russia to find alternate suppliers and focus on domestic production. The economic pressure have also affected the funding and resources available for military production, making it a challenging environment for the aviation industry. The ongoing conflict in Ukraine has significantly impacted the Russian fighter jet production. The need for air superiority and the loss of aircraft in combat have driven the production effort. Despite losing military aircraft, Russian production capability has allowed it to sustain these losses. The conflict has also highlighted the importance of maintaining a modern and capable air force, driving further investment into the fighter jet production. Russia has also focused on technological development in fighter jet production. The development of stealth technology, advanced avionics, and integrated weapon system has been a priority. The Su-57 program in particular has been a significant advancement in stealth technology, radar system, and electronic warfare system. Those innovations are critical for maintaining a cooperative edge in modern aerial combat. Looking ahead, Russia aims to continue enhancing its fighter jet capabilities. With ongoing development in stealth technology and avionics, the future of Russian combat aviation looks promising. The Su-57 program is expected to play a critical role in Russia's Air Force modernization, with plans to produce more units and integrated advanced technologies. Additionally, Russia is exploring new fighter jet design and upgrade to existing models to ensure its air power remain a formidable force in the coming years. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more military aviation content. Let us know in the comment which fighter jet you find the most impressive. Stay tuned for more insight into the world of military aviation. Until next time, fly high and stay safe.